that nigga snitch.
Yeah, it cold as hell out here. Y'all see I'm laid up. Alright. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Illustrate. Back again with another video. Today video, changing out the alternator. Like I said in the last video, the alternator went out on, so we got a new one. And we finna go ahead and put it on now and then let's get to it. Alright, so like I said, I got the new alternator right here. Feel me? Boom. And then my old starter right here, don't mind that. We gotta unplug the battery. So I'm gonna take I think it's a 10. I'm gonna take a 10 and take both sides off, negative and positive. Take a 10 millimeter, take both of them out. Give me 1 second. So right now I'm taking off positive. All right, now the negative. So I just pulled it back. And once I take both of these off, we have no power. So there's no power on the car right now. As y'all can see, look, as y'all can see, I just took both of them off. So, like I said, it was a 10. Now we're gonna go back up to the front and go ahead and get started on taking the old alternator off, the one that don't work. So, first thing first, I need to remove everything that y'all see right here. Give me 1 second. All right, so I got to unplug this. Boom. This comes off. Get that off. All right, so I got the tubing to the airbox off. Now it's time to unloosen that tensioner and get the belt off so we can access the alternator down there. Let's see if I can pop y'all up. Okay, yeah. Try 15. All right. Wait, it don't go that way? How much room I get? That ain't nothing. Hold on, bro. That's it? Yeah, that's it. Oh man, this finna be hard. Bro, that's all the room I get to play with. Long live Trey, boy. Okay. Got the serpentine belt off. I probably don't need no belt. Yeah, I'm gonna need one. Definitely gonna need one. Not now. If not now, soon. Hell is you doing? Oh. Where my other belt at? Well, damn. Ain't that some shit? My other belt done fell off. That's crazy. Crazy work. Okay. So boom. Boom. Should be simple. Bring the other alternator around. Y'all, we're gonna get that alternator off. I'm gonna bring the video back in a few. After I show y'all these books, okay? Like I said, I got the serpentine belt off right there. My damn AC belt came off. So I do gotta get new belts. Probably get them tomorrow. But that old alternator finna come up out of there. Yup. I just had to show y'all the type of room I'm playing with. Y'all see the book. Bro, I'm finna be at this for a minute. That shit wild, bro. Let's see if I can loosen it with my hand. Nah, it is loose. I got the front two bolts out. So that bit probably do fall, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't tripping. It is what it is. At least I catch it on camera when it do. Okay, it did. Little short boat. Okay. That might be my... Oh, why this? Yeah. That will hold it up. What the fuck do that go to? Nothing. What the fuck? That bitch still not loose. Am I tripping? Hold up, y'all. All right, YouTube. Second day at it. Got some good news. So, I ain't gonna lie, it got too dark last night, so I had to say, fuck that shit. But, got it out. That old. Time to go in with the new shiny. So, I had to remove the power steering. I put that to the side, and I took the whole bracket out just so I could get the alternator out. I did not have to move my AC line. Don't have no AC in it, so I ain't even have to worry about that. I did not have to remove my AC line. I just did it because I thought I could do something last night. It ain't work. I said, forget it. Oh well. But now it's time to put everything back together. All right, family. Finish wrenching. Got everything on, new alternator down there, new belt. I got a new AC belt over here. Yeah, everything back on. Let's go see if she start real quick. I'm finna hook the battery back up and see if we got power, you know, stuff like that. So, yeah, give me 1 second. I goddamn have this shit together. All right, y'all, I'm about to plug my little portable charger up and shit on the battery. We finna go ahead and get this started. Well, I feel like a kid at a playground right now. I feel like a fat kid ain't got chocolate cake. Alright, got the terminal plugged up. Let me get my key. Key right there. Okay. Let's see a good start. We got power. Hold on, y'all. Let's see. Okay, it say we still good. It's trying. It's trying, y'all. She trying. I'm gonna let y'all get the outside view.
Damn, nigga, you don't want me scribing? Fuck.
Try that. I don't want to start right now for some reason. Hold on now. Alright, let's try it now. Try to get y'all an outside view. But I'm trying to read codes and shit. I said, fuck that shit. Let's see. Got a dead battery. Trying to think, bro. Can I get somebody to give me a jump? I don't know. Cause this little charger ain't even working for me. Damn, I need a jump. All right, y'all. It's like 9 o'clock now. And I still ain't got my jump start, but my boy Jesus, Distortion Tuner or whatever the hell he want to call himself. What you gonna call yourself? What's your YouTube channel, bro?
Fast Lane. You already know the Fast Lane game, Tony.
I don't rep that.
Fact.
You ain't talking about with him, right?
Who, nigga?
With him.
Who? I don't know.
Cause he repped that too.
I don't know who the fuck you talking about, but I came up.
The truck that's in your yard.
Oh.
So if this is different, I admit with them, but
You good, gang.
alright, Gooch.
Type shit.
Alright, yeah. So my boy, he gonna fuck with me on a little jump start real quick. See if we gonna get started.
Go catch the cold start.
Catch cold start, yeah.
Not bad.
We're gonna put the camera down. What you mean? I put the new one on. You know, TJ had maybe something over here last time. I don't want to say. I think that's the negative one. It's loose. Alright, come on with it. I got my kit right here. Alright, it's probably still 30 minutes. Probably. No, I don't. I got my kit upstairs. Yeah. Still recording. Appreciate my boy
Just
for the
to let
pull
y'all
up.
know, before all that time, just to let y'all know, that shit ain't need a jump.
It really ain't. I ain't gonna lie. So that was the problem the whole time.
He just don't want to look for problem himself. I got him though, like that's why he got homeboys, but still though, you know, you knew what the issue was to him. He just ain't want to chase it down.
I didn't know what it was at that time. I just thought shit was wrong. Look like we Gucci.
Good now.
Dang, it didn't need no.
Battery one dead.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm thinking the battery dead whole time. It was my negative wire over here. My ground wire. Always think, bro. Always think.
Maybe the battery, I mean, maybe my shit did give it power, but most likely it was that ground wire.
Yeah.
Good now.
Yep. Okay. Shit, this the end of the video then. We back.
I like to get money, bitty. You know my whole damn gang, no rich fuck. Try like spin, spin, spin. My side, God don't give a fuck.